The armed forces of Russia Federation and Ukraine reported on the progress from front line in the last 24 hours. The gunfights continued in some places June 14. The Russian Aerospace Forces tonight launched group strikes by long-range precision air-based weapons against locations where AFU operational reserves were amassed, as well as a foreign-made ammunition and weapons depot. All the assigned targets have been engaged. The goal of the strike has been achieved, said the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov. A large explosion occurred in the town of Kryvyi Rih, Dnipropetrovsk Oblast and Odessa. The attack hit a building and caused extensive damage. 11 people were reported dead and dozens injured according to the official statement of the governor of Dnipropetrovsk Serhii Lysak. In Odessa, Russia attacked the southern city of Odessa overnight on June 14 with Kalibr cruise missiles, 2 of which were shot down by the city's air defenses, according to preliminary information from Ukraine's southern command. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelenskiy called the attack on Kryvyi Rih about civilians, and Zelenskiy called it a brutal terrorist attack. Zelenskiy uploaded an aftermath video shortly after the missile attack. Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine launched 442 fighter jets and 238 helicopters, 4,605 unmanned aerial vehicles, 426 air defense missile systems, 9,982 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Also 1,124 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,111 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,947 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the Ukrainian armed forces in an official statement June 14, said Russia lost 680 soldiers in a single day, including 8 tanks, 11 armored personnel carriers, 17 artillery units and 15 drones. In total, Moscow lost 217,330 servicemen since their launching full-scale aggression into Ukrainian territories. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 477 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides. The United States has allocated a new package of military assistance to Ukraine worth $325 million.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.